A boy, loud and clear. From a hear the sound, you know G-Love 8 is here, though. I may say yo, Torian, sick again. Give them a full clip, cause I was sick of them. I may say yo, Hollywood, Nata. I may say Unknown. I may say Golf, Jiggy, yo. Say them a boss, but we a boss bigger. Say them a lot, but we a lot no far. Man a run while we stand behind the trigger. No hard for crazy K-figure. Say them a boss, but we a boss bigger. Say them a lot, but we a lot no far. Blood a run when we press up the trigger. No hard for friend them figure. Say 10 big gun, 9 small one. Come in at the war and you not turn long. Boy drop a ground, head bust like pan. Boy did a hype dream box a one man. Ball them a ball and a fret them a fret. Fret them a fret and fox no step yet. Real bad man don't step in a crep. Cause when we a step we no left intro tape. Real bad man don't step and sweat. Cause when we a step we no step and fret. Shot fly through chest and broke boy neck. We just bust off him head with them a shit. Shallow grave that him a get. Sign me for hell, me don't have no regret. Me born in a sin, so me have to pull it in. Through a bomb in your house and kill everything. Say them a boss, but we a boss bigger. Say them a lot, but we a lot no far. Man a run while we stand behind the trigger. No hard for crazy pay figure. Say them a boss, but we a boss bigger. Say them a lot, but we a lot no far. Blood a run when we press up the trigger. No hard for friend them figure. A G-Love 8 with the new war meds. In a Nata, pure war aids. Boy this crazy, we fully move a ledge. HK bomb, me say Uber bus again. War, ride out on the bike. Mark in a hand, hoop on the back. Now my friend not nice. Boss boy head of them thing them me like. And I kill people, forget for me fame. Me head well hot, plus me heart cold. And me thugs them hard, support the North Pole. Back skate to the double and also guard roll. Pan you fi me demon and fool. Bust your head when me do it pan it all. Now you dead and gone, your gal a wine pan me pole. Inna the street she known as a whore. Say them a boss but we a boss bigger.